What if you could explore your AWS infrastructure visually rather than clicking around in the console or using the CLI or Terraform or Ansible or whatever you're using? Things that don't really click with our minds. I created this thing where you can actually walk around and see and visualize your infrastructure. I've actually been using to monitor and look at my own infrastructure at Cloud Repo. So we got EC2 instances, they are visualized by that they're running with smoke and all that kind of stuff. You can click them, get your kind of information about them. Load balancers are visualized by towers. You can see traffic here. Security groups, these are always a kind of a pain. You can analyze them, look at your sources, inbound rules. All these things are kind of visual. One big thing that I've heard from showing this to some other partners, people that have been using this, is they want to see costs, right? So cool thing is we kind of put a cost here showing, our monthly cost. And when it does that, we put overlays on the things and how much they cost. Instead of having to go log into CloudWatch or, the AWS console, I can actually come here and look at, my actual logs for these tasks. We're going to put some visual indicators in here that show, some metrics and those types of things. And the ability to explore, your tasks that run, how they're doing. Another big problem with AWS is like these zombie things that aren't connected, aren't being used. Call it Zombie Hunter. Goes off and kind of looks for things that are running maybe that aren't being used. Network load balancers and kind of assess the traffic going in and out. We have a mini map down here in case your world gets a little bit bigger for like teleporting around. These things die, the smoke will stop. What made it really easy and kind of fun to kind of hang out. It's encouraged to show it to the world. So that's kind of what I've been working on this week. This has been very helpful for us to understand our infrastructure. And we've also found some like dead EC2 instances, some dead Lambdas that are down there, other things like that. And so, if you have suggestions, ways to make this better, things that you'd like to see, let me know.